Hi, John with padprinters.com. I'm going to talk about the ink cups for the Micro 90. So this is a 90 millimeter ink cup assembly. It's really a couple of different parts put together. You have the ink cup body, which has, in the 90 millimeter cup, the magnet's placed right here in the center. And then you have separately a silicone O-ring, fits into this channel right here around the edge of the ink cup. You put the O-ring in there. Finally, you have the ceramic doctor ring. Ceramic doctor rings are fragile. These are about $240 as a spare part. It is a wear item. When they come in, the edge of the doctor ring, the sharp edge, it's going to clean the surface of the plate, is down to a couple thousandths or a few tenths of a millimeter. Once you get to operating the machine, these will eventually wear. Once this sharp edge gets to about 10 millimeters in thickness, where it becomes flat, which is equivalent to about a quarter of a millimeter, 0.25 millimeters, it would be worn and you need to replace it. So when you're putting the ink cup together with the doctor ring, you put the O-ring in there. Some people use a little bit of lubricant to make it easier to slide the O-ring on. You can use Vaseline. You don't need a bunch of it, just a very light amount of Vaseline helps to get it on. And then you should be able to either press it on or set it on a clean flat surface, maybe something covered with cardboard, and press down so that the doctor ring seats on the ink cup. So what you end up with is the doctor ring on the cup, and when it's correctly put together, there should be a very slight amount of float in there. And that's how you put the doctor ring onto a 90 millimeter cup.